Hey slot car fans, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Mass with another slot car related video, and today I'm going to be talking about my second track lighting solution that I'm going with. If you watched my previous video, I reviewed the tip kick floodlight set, and I mentioned that I would be getting a second alternative lighting kit for my track, and this one requires wiring and all that. I ordered it from Slot Car Space Solutions, and they're based in Vancouver, Canada. So let me show you what I got. It's not wired up yet, but I'm going to give you an update exactly where I'm at right now. So let's take a look. So as you can see, I have a bunch of these lamp posts installed all over the track. Kind of just dry fitted right now, but for the most part they're where they're going to live. And the kit I got included 20 of these single posts and 10 of these doubles, and the doubles are a little bit taller, and that's the small kit. So you get 30 lights in the small kit and everything that's needed for the wiring, which is the light hub, the power pack, and all the wiring connectors. And this is their website there, slotcarspacesolutions.com. So yeah, I think it's gonna look awesome with these lights. Let me give you a better look at that one. So here's the lamp. It's like a steel material, and they're flexible too, so you could bend these and manipulate them and position them any way you like, especially for these ones here. You could turn these, you could bend them like upwards if you need. So it's awesome. And the great thing about these are these bases, which is exclusive to Slot Car Space Solutions, and they're made specifically for the Carrera track. And what they do is they slot right into the side of the track here, just like any other Carrera part. Click right in there for a nice clean fitment, which was a big selling point for me. So yeah, if you're in the market for any track lighting, I say give Slot Car Space Solutions a look. They have a couple options and their prices are very competitive. I personally ordered a bunch of cars from them already and parts. Very happy with my experiences with them. And yeah, so I will be back with an update once I have this all installed and lit up. So a lot of you are probably gonna laugh and make fun of me for this, but wiring is my Achilles heel in any project. I do a lot of do-it-yourselves for my vehicles, and I have no problem taking my engine apart and putting it back together, but when it comes down to wiring, I just freak out and tense up. I don't know why. This is something simple though, which I think anyone can figure out. So I'm gonna set the time aside this week, hopefully get this all done, and I'll take some videos and pictures along the way to show you guys how it's done, and we can get a final review on what we think of these. Still don't have an outro, so I will see you next time.